So, all right, kings and queens, it's your girl, Jana Thrones, and I am back today. I am giving you the tea on this wonderful wig that I picked up on Amazon, of all places. This is the Naked Nature Brazilian Natural 100% human hair in the wet and wavy deep wave style. And you can't even see what I'm pointing at. But that's okay because I'm telling you. And this wig, honey, it comes with a bang. I paid exactly $62.42 for this wig, plus tax and shipping, of course. But if you are wondering what this wig looks like, honey, I'm going to show you everything from the unboxing. Right here, I'm taking it out. It has a bang, honey. And why did I get this wig? I got this wig because I needed something like, you know, a protective style. I know I usually do my twists, but, you know, I was getting a little tired of the twist, and plus I wanted to give my hair a break. So I was looking for me a wig, and I'm like, yo, I've seen a lot of girls who was wearing like the wet and wavy style lace front wigs and stuff. And, you know, I'm real skeptical about the lace fronts because, like, I'm not with that got to be glued. Like, I'm not with any of that tacking that stuff down. I'm not with that hard lace rubbing up against my edges. I just can't. You know what I'm saying? I can't spare no edges, all right? So I wanted to get, like, a similar look without having to deal with the lace front, and also be able to access my hair underneath so that I can moisturize it and take care of it and do what I need to do with it. So here is this wig right out the pack, honey, and it's looking real dry. It's looking real dry, but I'm going to hook it up. I'm going to show you what I did to this wig right after I took it out the package to get it to look the way that I am going to freak it and rock it this summer, because this is going to be my wig for the summer, honey. This is going to be my summer wig. Yes, and I can take it off and do what I need to do underneath. I have my hair braided up. I will show y'all when I put it on. But right now, I just want you to see how it is out the box. All right, cool. I'll see y'all in a second. Okay, y'all, yes, I'm back. I'm getting ready to wash this wig with some shampoo and conditioner and hook it up. I am so happy that I found this wig, let me tell you, because you don't have to worry about no lace. You don't have to worry about melting no lace. You don't have to worry about no concealer, honey. You don't have to do none of that. You don't have to worry about no breakage from no leave out. Like, this wig is literally breakage free. Like, this is so simple and so easy and so convenient. You know, some of y'all really know how to hook them lace wigs up. I do not have that talent, honey, and I don't watch the videos, and I really just can't even afford to be having no edges missing. So right now, I'm washing my wig. As you can see, I'm using my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black shampoo, and then I have some tea tree oil conditioner. I believe it's by Jason. Yeah, that I'm going to use on this wig, honey, and this wig is soft. And look at how those waves are just coming out as I'm washing it. Like, you could really see the curl definition and the wave, the deep wave texture coming through. And it's going to be so cute when you see it. Yeah, and so all you do is get your shampoo. You don't have to use the same shampoo, honey, that I'm using, or this conditioner. Get whatever you like. This hair is soft. It is tangle free while I'm washing it. It did have a smell. I'm not gonna front, like, it did have a smell. However, you know, once I put the conditioner in and finished washing it, you really couldn't even tell. And then I'm also gonna put in some conditioners and some oil on top of that, which you can't even really smell anything after the fact. And, you know, this wig for 60 bucks, I'm telling you, like, this is where it's at. Like, this is so simple, hassle free. And I'm just going ahead and washing off the shampoo. As you can see, I really love the fact that it has a bang, because I don't have to worry about trying to leave any of my hair out. A lot of times people want to get, you know, U-part wigs or whatever, and then they leave some of their hair out so it could look, you know, a little more natural. But a lot of times after you do that, you will experience some breakage at those points where your hair was left out. My sister is going through that right now. So, you know, for me, this is the best option because I can take care of my hair underneath, and I can remove this wig whenever I need to. And honey, when I'm ready to go somewhere, all I have to do is throw it on, probably zhuzh it up a little bit, and I'm going to show y'all what the final outcome looks like. And I just can't wait to show y'all this wig because I'm so excited to, like, wear this wig. Now, I will say, if you're somebody who likes a lot of density in your wig, which I do not, then this wig is probably not for you. I have a very small head, like very peanutty, you know? I have like a pea head, literally. So I really like wigs that are low density because to me, they just look more natural on me. And also, my head is too little to carry all of that volume, you know, of all those bigger wigs. A lot of times I've gotten wigs and I've put them on, like that I've ordered online, and when I put them on, I look like the damn Lion King, and it's just not cute to be looking like a mop on a stick. No ma'am. No ma'am, Sam. So right now I'm applying the conditioner to the bang part. Make sure when you put your conditioner in, you get the entire wig, all the hairs fully coated, you know, because that's really what's going to make your hair nice and soft and keep the hair on the wig nice and soft and maintain its softness. And I recommend doing this, you know, whenever you feel like your wig is getting a little ratty or you want to give it like more life, bring it back to life, go ahead and wash it. Like it's 100% human hair, so you're not going to damage it, honey. And this wig, look at those waves. Like, look at that curl definition. It's like so bomb. Like, it is so cute. Like, this is a really cute wig, and I basically just took it out the pack and washed it. Okay, honey, I am back, and I am simply going to put some Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla 4-in-1 combing cream. I'm putting this on the wig. It's still wet. I just finished washing it and just put it right on my head. And I'm so stupid. All right, there you go. I'm rubbing that in and just basically spreading it all throughout the wig to get it nice and moisturized. And don't forget to get your tips and get the bang. And this is gonna keep it nice and soft. I really love how the texture came out in this wig. It looks really flat right now because it's also low density and plus it's wet right now. So I can't wait to see what it's going to look like after it has dried. I am going to let this hang and dry overnight, and tomorrow I am going to be back to show you the final look. And I'm just getting this all the way through to the ends, and then what I'm going to do is put my organic sweet almond oil, and there it is right there. I'm going to go ahead and put a small amount of that and work it in through the strands of the wig to go ahead and seal in the moisture and give it a little bit of luster so that it won't look super dry when it dries. All right, kings and queens. Oh, look at my little braids showing in the back. I'm going to have to cornrow those together. But anyways, I am all done for tonight. I will be back tomorrow to show you the final look. All right. Okay, lovies. Here we go. I'm about to show you the final result. The wig is completely dried. I'm showing you the inside. There are 3 combs, one in the back with the elastic band as well. And then on the sides in the front, you have a comb on each side to secure it. And there is not one in the front where the bang is, which is good. And I'm just sliding it on my little pea head, as you can see. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I love this wig. I'm going to rock this wig this summer. It is very hassle-free, you know. Yeah. So leave a comment below if you love this wig, if you like how I rock it. And it was super easy, super convenient, and I will see you guys in the next video.